Hey everyone, how's it going? So in this video, I am going to show you how to convert WebP to JPG online. So without any further delay, let's start the tutorial. All right guys, search here for an online WebP to JPG converter. Here you have so many options that you choose to convert WebP to JPG. But I am going to use the second website, then click on Choose File and select the file. Just click on Open and wait until this green line goes to the end. After that, just click on Start and wait for some time. The website is going to analyze the file.
1 hour later.
Now you can also preview the image before downloading it. Then once you are done with everything, just click on download and here you can see the image that we have just converted. That's how you can convert WebP to JPG online. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I will try to reply as soon as possible. If you want to know how to convert an AVF file to PNG, then watch the video and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching the video.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what